morning students. Today I am going to start surface area and volume. That is the 13 chapters, surface area and volume. So first is cuboid and cube. Cuboid means the figure of the cuboid is like this. This is the figure of the cuboid. So here it has length, breadth and height. So total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HB, and volume of cuboid is L into B into H, and lateral surface area will 2H L plus B. And cube, if L equal to B equal to H, if all the three sides are equal, then cuboid will become cube, and total surface area of cube will be 6A square. Volume of the cube will be A cube, and lateral surface area of cube will be 4A square. These are the formulas we will use here. So we are going to do the exercise 13.1 by using this formulas. Question number 1. Question number 1 is given. A plastic box is 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter width and 65 meter depth. A plastic box means how much long is given? 1.5 means L is given 1.5 meters, breadth is given 1.25 meters, and height is given 65 centimeter. Now height is given in the 65 meter centimeter, all others are given in the meter. So first we will change centimeters into meters. So we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So H will be, change here, H will be 0.65 meter. Now all the units, see, all the units are given in the same unit are given, that is meters. Then what is given here? What to find? Here it is open at the top. What is here? Top is open. Cuboid is given in this form. Like this. In this form. Top is open here. You have to determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. Area of the sheet required for the making. Here LB means over, this side is open here. So total surface area we will find here. That is total surface area. So it will be 2H L plus B. 2H L plus B plus L into B. Because here top is open. So one length and breadth is open here. So put the value here. So we will get 2 into H is 0.65. L is given 1.5 plus width is given 1.25 and plus L is given 1.5 into 1.25. So if you multiply, it will be here 1.3 into, add this 2. It will be 2.75 plus multiply 1.5 into 1.25, so it will be 1.875. So if you multiply 1.3 into 2.75, so it will become 3.575 plus 1.875. So total will be 5.45 meters square. So here what is given? The area of the sheet required for making the box will be how much? 5.45 meters square. This much area is required. This much sheet is required. Then second form. Here this is the first part. What is the second? Second is given the cost of sheet. The cost of sheet. For 1 meter square, it is equal to 20 rupees. 1 meter square के लिए कितना रुपीस है? 20. Therefore अपने पास टोटल एरिया कितना है? 5.45 मीटर स्क्वायर. Therefore cost of state for 5.45 meters square, it will be 20 into 5.45. So if you multiply, it will be 109 rupees. So total how much rupees will be required? 109 rupees. So these two parts are given here. We will do the next question. Question number 5. Again in question number 5 also two parts are given here. See what is given here. It is given here a cubical box has at 10 meter. Cubical means cube, say 10 centimeters, and another is cubical box. It has 12.5 meters long, 10 meters width, and 8 meters high. So first is cubical. First part we are doing. First is cubical form. So A is given here how much? 10 centimeters. Then for cubical, here L is given 12.5 meters centimeters. Width B is given 10 meters and height is given 8 meters, 8 centimeters. Then what is here? Which box has greater lateral surface? Which box? So first question is given. First we will find a lateral surface area of cube. It is equal to 4a square. So it will be 4. A, what is A given? A is here 10 centimeter. So 4 into 10 square. So it is 400 centimeters square. So lateral surface of cube is 400 meters square. Then lateral surface area of cuboid box is 2h L plus B. I have given you the formula. Lateral surface 2h L plus B. So it is 2h is given 8. Then L is 12.5 plus 10. So it will be 16 into 22.5. If you multiply, it is 360 centimeters square. Now, here, what is the question? Which box has greater lateral surface? Therefore, greater lateral surface area is of cubical box. How much? It is 400. This is 360 minus 40 centimeters square. So cubical box कितने सेंटीमीटर बड़ा है क्यूबाइड से? 40 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सेकंड पार्ट इसी का दिया हुआ है. Again, what is the second part is here? Which box has smaller total surface area? अब total surface area निकालना है. Again same. A दिया है 10 सेंटीमीटर्स, L 12.5 सेंटीमीटर था और B 10 सेंटीमीटर और हाइट 8 सेंटीमीटर. अब पहले हम निकालेंगे किसका? टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्यूब, टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्यूब क्या है 6a स्क्वायर. सो टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब 6a square. So 6 into 10 square. So it is 600 centimeter square. तो टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्यूब कितना आ गया 600 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब हम निकालेंगे टोटल सरफेस एरिया किसका क्यूबाइड का. टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबाइड क्या है 2 into एल बी प्लस एल एच प्लस एच बी. तो टोटल सरफेस area of cuboid it is equal to 2 LB plus BH plus HL. वैल्यू पुट करेंगे 2 L is 12.5 into B 10 plus 10 into 8 plus 8 into 12.5. So if you multiply, so 2 into this will be 225 plus 80 plus 100, or if you multiply it will be 2 into 305, so it is 610 centimeters square. 600. Now which is greater, which has greater total surface area from here? टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब वी आर गेटिंग 600, टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबाइड हमको मिल रहा है 610. इसका ग्रेटर है, देयरफॉर ग्रेटर टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज ऑफ क्यूबाइड हाउ मच 10 मीटर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. कितना बड़ा है 10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो दिस वी हैव कंप्लीट फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 13.1. So do it in the copy, learn by heart formulas.